What are some holiday recipes from long ago? How would people bake these treats? Let's find out. Hi, everyone. I'm Kat, the Youth and Family Programs Manager at the Connecticut Historical Society. Welcome to another episode of Objects Tell Stories. Today, we are going to explore some of the tools people used in the late 1800s and early 1900s to bake special holiday treats. Attached to this episode on the CHS website is a cookbook that features historic recipes from our collection. One of those recipes is for holiday fudge. Have you ever had fudge? I have. My favorite flavor is cookies and cream. What's yours? If you said chocolate, then this holiday fudge recipe is perfect for you. One of the ingredients required to make this treat is margarine or butter. During the 1800s and early 1900s, a lot of people made their own butter in their homes. What tool would they use to make butter? That's right, a butter churn. This is an example of what a portable butter churn might have looked like in the late 1800s. To make butter, you would put cream inside and turn the crank until the cream started to form into butter. After making the butter, you would then need something to scoop it up. Some people would use tools called butter paddles. Take a look in the kitchen behind me. Can you spot the butter paddles? That's right. They're right here. These would be used to scoop the butter out of the butter churn and then shape it. Now that we have our butter, we can start cooking. According to the recipe, we need to boil milk and sugar on the stove. Can you spot the stove in this kitchen? That's right. It's right here. Does this look the same as our stove today? No, it looks a bit different. However, it served the same purpose, to use heat to cook our food. Now it's your turn to try cooking this recipe using the tools you have today. To find this recipe, along with several others and a special holiday journal, visit the CHS website. Once you finish baking a special treat, connect with us on social media and share a photo of it. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Objects Tell Stories, and I hope to see you soon in the museum. Bye!